This is your question for today, and many students, while calculating this problem, they simply calculate like this, that 4 divided by 2 means 2, and 2 negative 2 means what? 0, and 0 divided by 2 means what? 0. So many students calculate in this method and find their answer what? 0, which is correct according to them. But let me tell you, 0 is not the actual answer for this question, right? 0 is wrong answer, okay? So what will be the actual answer for this question? So I just write same question, which is what? 4 divided by 2 negative 2, and then divided by 2 is equal to what? Okay, so what is the actual answer for this question? So for this type of question, a rule is followed, and what the rule is? The rule is B O D M A S. Okay, this is the rule. What it means? It means board mass, right? It means board mass. Here B means what? Bracket. O means off. D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition, and S means what? Subtraction. Okay, and B means bracket, which we get first number priority for solving question, right? O means off, which we get second number priority for solving question. D means division, which we get third number priority for solving question. So priorities move in this way, right? Means M means multiplication, which we get fourth number priority for solving question, right? So in this question, you can see here division sign is given, and here subtraction sign is given. Here again division sign is given, right? So what should you calculate first? This part or this part or this part? And if you see in this rule, you can see B means what? Bracket, which is not given in this question. So you can simply ignore this, right? Because this is not given in question, so simply ignore this. And ohm is what? Off, which is also not given in this question, so you can simply ignore this also. But you can see here division sign is given. D means division, which is given here and here. So it means we should calculate what first for this question? We should calculate division sign first, means this sign first, right? And subtraction you can see here written in last. It means division sign gets higher priority than what? Subtraction sign. So we should calculate what first in this question? We should calculate division sign first, means this sign first. So first of all, 4 divided by 2, what we can get? We can get 2. Simply write here 2. And again here you can say negative sign is given. Simply write here negative sign, right? And here again you can see means division sign you can calculate in this step, right? So 2 divided by 2, what you can get? 1. So simply write here 1. And 2 negative 1, what you can get? 1. So simply write here 1, right? And 1, which is your final answer for this question, right? But many students calculate in this way and find their answer what? 0. Okay, but 0 is not the actual answer for this question, right? To find the actual answer, you should calculate in this way and find your correct answer, which is what? 1. So 1 will be the actual answer for this question, right? So this is what about today video. It is all about board mass. So meet you in next videos then, and many more questions like this I will put from next videos as well. So keep watching till then. Thank you. Bye.